In this video, I will show you how you can remove the background noise from your audio or video calls. Now to do that, let's do an audio call. For example, I'll call this number. Now after you do that, then just open the quick settings, and in the quick settings, you will find an option called mic mode. Now just tap on mic mode, and from here, just switch the mic mode from standard to voice focus. Now just tap on done, and after you do that, then you'll remove the background noise from your audio calls. Now you can do the same thing for your video calls. Now let's do a video call, just like that. Now after you do a video call, now if you open the quick settings again, you will find the option for mic mode. Now just tap on it. Now instead of standard, just select voice focus. And after you do that, then again, you'll remove the background noise from your video calls. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.